Listen the question you senior girls. Why would you not put the salt in yeast? Shh.
Yeast?
Yeah, why would you put salt in yeast? Why we are putting salt in the flour?
In the floor.
It's a question. It's such
If
a
we put together,
answer me.
You explain to us.
Oh my
binato.
This is the
Okay,
most
yung ano
important
na lang,
thing.
ano mo to.
Okay, now wait. Miss Carrie.
Miss Clary.
Si Ma'am Carrie, because if we have to put
One
oil,
cup lang
listen to
siya.
me, we have to put oil in the,
One
sorry,
cup.
salt in the flour
Dito
and
lang
mix
siya,
it. Because
one
it's
cup.
oh yeah.
Dagdagan.
Then we finish.
Dagdagan. Parang dito lang siya sa ano. One half.
Is it right? Listen to me.
Wala naman, wala naman. Dagdagan mo nga. Mag, ano, mayroon pa
If
ako
we
dyan.
put salt in yeast, then yeast will dead. Okay? That is-
Yeah. Right.
I will take 2 more then.
Ito ba?
And then sugar, as usual, we will put the sugar later.
Sure.
Salt.
We already put salt in
Yeah,
here.
we did.
So, same thing. We will put the, we already mixed anyway.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we did.
Tapos i-warm up mo doon sa
Complete
ano.
11 grams yeast?
No.
No, you don't know.
No need to
If
put.
there is 3 cups, how many? 1, salt, 5 grams, 6 grams, 14. Yeast is 6 grams, ma'am. 6 grams, 3 teaspoons.
Instant.
Two and 3.
Saan banda mo?
Sige, sige, akin na.
Do we need to warm it a bit? Do we need to warm? Lukewarm.
Lukewarm. Okay.
Ilan sukat yan?
1/4. I-warm mo na doon sa yung milk.
Is it
No,
wrong?
the other one.
Lukewarm. Okay. Okay, ma'am, we did. We don't do eggs yet.
No, not yet.
Sugar, 1/4.
These we need to put egg, butter, and warm milk. 3 things we need to put.
Bakit?
1 piece of egg. 1/4 cup. What?
Akin na, akin na.
Oh my goodness.
Kailangan hindi siya masyadong ano Okay. And then we need 1/4 of butter. 1/4 butter. 1/4 right? 1/4, di ba? Ano na yung nilagay natin dito?
Yes, and then
Yes, and salt.
Yes, salt.
Wala pa.
1/4 cup of butter.
Yung sugar na iniwan mo na.
1/4 lang yung sugar mo. Baka mainit na, dear. Mamamatay ang yeast natin. Ilagay mo doon sa asan yung pinaglagyan mo. Kailangan lukewarm. Only lukewarm because if your milk or water is too hot, the yeast will die, will be dead.
Okay, if the water and will be too hot, then
Touch.
is it? If the water and milk will be very warm,
Okay.
then yeast will die.
Yes. So it must be.
Okay, so 1 egg. As usual, we will put 1 egg. Dito muna natin, baka mamaya. Uy, baka mawala itong ano niya. Ito ang ayaw ko dito sa ano, natatanggal. Nahuhugot. Ikola ko na lang yan pagka ano.
1 egg. Wow. Another use of scissors.
Bakit hindi maganda yung ano ko?
Matagal na ito, ma'am?
Ano yun nga? Hindi naman wala.
Hindi.
Okay lang. Wala wala dyan. Hindi pala naman ano.
Okay. Paamoy
Kasi hindi siya ano eh.
Paamoy mo kay Nadia, oh.
Hindi kasi hindi siya buo.
Wala naman siyang baho. Ano lang, basag lang yung yellow
Nabasag
niya.
lang.
Oo.
And then yung sugar natin, 1/4.
Sugar is 1/4 cup, 50 grams. So half put here, half put in the milk.
Yes. If you have microwave at home, 1 cup of milk or 1 cup of water, and then just press 1 minute. That's already lukewarm. So, lagay na natin yung ating egg. And then yung ating milk. Ay, lagyan natin ng ano, kaunting vanilla
Vanilla.
as usual. You don't like? You don't like vanilla?
For Nadia.
Why are you saying small?
Kawawa naman, hindi siya makakain. Yes, I already put this one.
Then we just make it yeast and then we make it warm, yeah?
I put the yeast in here.
Is it?
Not in the milk. If you put the yeast in here, it will no. There's bubbles inside. So it means that your yeast is really active. But if you put the yeast in here and it's too hot,
Then yeast will die.
the yeast will die, no bubbles coming out.
But we
Yeah, but it's because we are using instant yeast, so we can just put it right away in here.
But first we put salt and mix it. Then again we put yeast and mix
Yes.
it. So what's the point to do salt first? It mix. They are saying.
If mixed together, the yeast and the salt, the yeast will die. So you have to mix the salt
yeast is very
first.
naughty. You have to
Yes, very
touch to
naughty.
it and it can die.
You cannot put together.
You cannot put them together. You have to mix
Yeast
first.
alone.
Guys, you have to mix first the salt and flour before putting the yeast. Because if you put the yeast together with the salt, the yeast will die.
They will fight.
So yun yung tandaan nyo. Okay?
Tandaan nyo na lang. I-mix nyo lang muna
Pagka
ang
yan,
salt.
ano nyo lang. Hindi
Huwag nyo
maganda
isabay yung
kalabasan.
yeast kasi mamamatay ang yeast. Mamamatay yung yeast. Kailangan unahin nyo muna yung salt. I-mix nyo muna sa flour before putting your yeast.
When our last day, okay, first tell me, when is our OJT, ma'am?
On
Which day?
July 2.
July 2.
July 2. July 2. July 12.
July 1 ta ngayon.
Ha?
Uy, July 12 holiday yun.
Ha?
Ano yun? Sunday is 12.
Sunday is 12. Second Sunday of
Check nyo nga.
Second Sunday.
Second Saturday.
Second Sunday of July.
12.
Oh, yun.
Mga blanco. Mga blanco.
Na, nabusog lang tayo. Blanco na lahat.
Sunday lang kayo. 12. So, ngayon yung OJT na siya. 12. July 12.
I take note, guys. But anyway, during your OJT, mag-a-assist kami sa inyo. Hindi lang kayo. Kada isang grupo may isa na teacher na mag-a-assist, assistant na mag-a-assist sa inyo. So you don't have to worry.
Kumukumpin nyo na baking ko ha?
Hmm?
Kumukumpin nyo sa baking ko.
After
After
ano?
ng
OJT.
after ng OJT, right away you enroll for baking 2 and then next Sunday, you start your baking 2.
Another same day.
Yes.
Okay, want to start what? Baking?
Baking 2.
Baking 2?
Cake
And
and
after OJT,
We have to start something.
okay, you have to register. I thought it's
The same
my
day.
man.
ha? Oh, yeah.
Wala bang sembreak?
Gusto niyo ng sembreak? One
One
Sunday.
week.
One Sunday.
1 week.
Depende sa usapan niyo ni Annabel, ni Ma'am Annabel.
Sa next sa baking to. Teacher niyo sa baking to. Hindi na siya sa baking to. Yung iba na naman.
Ay, iba na yung ano. Ay, iba na yung
Oo. Sa bread and cookies lang si ma'am. Sa cake and decoration. Sa cake and si ibang teacher. Oo.
Okay lang.
Yung nag-assist niya nung una. Aakyat yun mamaya.
Any possible na basta importante maihalo yung ano.
Sino pag-ihalo hindi na
Hindi, magbibigyan ng masa.
Hi! Nandito na ating pena kakwela.
Pag-graduate niya lang yan nung
Ito yung last graduate niya na ito yung pinakakwela sa
Kwela.
sa class nila. Parang si Nadia lang.
Alam si Nadia lang, pero mas kwela yan. Dami kong estudyante here.
Madam, hindi ko natin diretso doon. Inaubos na ni Emerita.
Wala, dapat nilagay mo doon.
Tapos na sila kumain. Dumating ako.
Kahit na, dinala mo dapat doon. Hindi si Emerita, hindi si Emerita ang ano mo.
Tapos na sila kumain. Kaya diniretso ko na doon sa kantin.
Amin na yung iba.
Marami ka ba? Dapat dinala mo doon. Kasi, hindi, dali mo dapat dinala mo sa baba. Kasi kasama yun sa ano. Kaya mamaya sa lagi ko pa nandun na ano. Yung sinabi ko pa man
Hindi
doon.
yung para sa amin, nilagay mo na lang sa baba.
Nilagay mo na lang dapat. Kahit na, dapat nilagay mo. Okay na ako siya.
Bakit mas continue?
Okay, okay.
Anong dala mo, Ate Mar?
Ha? May sugar tayo nilagay ano? Bibig ako. Sa kompleto.
Bibingka daw niya, yung fresh.
Egg. Tapos,
Meron ako. Sabi ko kay madam, di ako
Nandun
makakuha
sa
kasi
baba,
may
oh.
pa-dinner ako. Ngayon, nagluto ako ng bibingka. 2 tray yun na maliit. Kaso, pagdating ko, tapos na silang kumain, hindi ko na nilagay.
hindi mo lang sabi. Kasi kasama yung pinalista ko na bibingka. Kasama yun na nakalista. Kasama yun sa
So, ibibigay yung isa. Eh, pag kulang din lang naman, ilang peraso lang yun na ilis-slice kasi maliit lang na tray. Next time na lang. Sabi mo next time.
Don't do like that.
Sabi mo busy. Sabi mo may pa-dinner, hindi nakaluto. Hoy, madam.
No.
Uy, yung sinasabi.
Sabi mo may pa-dinner, hindi nakaluto.
Pero nakalista na nga.
Next time, kamo na lang.
Nakalista na yun sa ano na Bicol at saka ano ang culinary.
Sorry eh, tapos na sila eh.
Konti lang naman yung tao, Ate.
Hindi pa nga ako dumaan doon.
Nag-i-slice nila yung pagkakasya.
Slice ko na nga eh. 15 slice. Mainit na yun eh. Ikaw, walang init. Init nga, tignan mo.
Sabi ko pa man din kay ano man may bibingka.
O, di ilalagay ko na doon ngayon. Ilagay ko na doon.
Lagyan mo na lang doon.
Bahala ka. Sige, balik ako.
Kasi nakakahiya, dear.
Pinagmalaki daw niya yung luto mo.
Kasi nagmamalaki ko yung luto mo.
Pinatikim ko na doon sa isang lalaki, yung...
Porket ang ganda-ganda mo ngayon.
Balik ka dito ha!
Ay, balik ka dito.
Balik ka!
Garatweng na ngem. Sige na, garatweng lang.